Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. We have the cube root of 2x minus 3 plus the cube root of 3x plus 2 equals to 3. And from this equation we want to solve for the value of x. So to solve this, solution. So we are going to say that let u equals the cube root of 2x minus 3 and v equals the cube root of 3x plus 2. Now, if we do this right here, okay, we then have that this equation then becomes u plus v is equal to 3. Okay, now let us cube this equation. If you cube this equation, we're going to have that u cube is equal to 2x minus 3. And in the same vein, if you cube this equation, we have that v cube is equal to 3x plus 2. So with this, we are then going to multiply this by 3. Now, if we multiply this equation by 3, what we are going to have is this. So 3 times u cube is equal to 3u cube is equal to 3 times 2x, 6x, minus 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, and also if we multiply this by 2, we are going to have this equation as 2 times v cube 2v cube is equal to 2 times 3x 6x plus 2 times 4 2 times 2 4. So with this, we are then going to write down this equation down here. So we have 2v cube is equal to 6x plus 4. So with this written down here, we are then going to subtract these two equations. So subtract these two equations. 3u cube then minus 2v cube. So 3u cube minus 2v cube is equal to, this will cancel out this, then minus 9 minus 4 is equal to minus 13. We call this equation 2. Meanwhile, this is equation 1. So from equation 1, that we have u plus v equals to 3. So writing this down, that we have u plus v is equal to 3. Let us then solve for v. So v is equal to 3 minus u. Okay, so input the value of v as 3 minus u into this right here. So this then becomes 3u cube minus 2 into bracket 3 minus u all raised to power 3 is equal to minus 13. Then making use of this rule, if you have in bracket a minus b all raised to power 3, this equals to a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b raised to power 3. Okay, so working with this right here, we then have this equation to then becomes, we have 3u cube, so 3u cube, then minus 2 into bracket. Applying this rule right to this then becomes 3 cube is 27, then minus 27u, then plus 9u squared minus u raised to power 3 is equal to minus 13. So with this, 3u cube minus 2, we open the bracket, minus 54 plus 54u minus 18u squared, then plus 2u raised to power 3 is equal to minus 13. So with this, we are then going to move minus 13 over to this side, and this equation becomes, so we have 3u cube minus 54 plus 54u minus 18u squared plus 2u cube, then plus 13, and this equals to 0. So from here, 3u cube plus 2u cube, 5u cube. And we have minus 18u squared minus 18u squared. Then we have plus 54u. Then minus 54 plus 13 is equal to minus 41. And this equals to 0. So with this right here, we are going to assume that u equals to 1 is a solution. Now let us test this. We have 5 into bracket 1 power of 3 minus 18 into bracket 1 power of 2 plus 54 into bracket 1 minus 41 will equal 0 question mark. So from here we have 5, then minus 18, then plus 54 minus 41 equals to 0. Now if we add and subtract these values, we have 0 and this equals to 0. Now since this equals 0, u equals to 1 is a solution, for this given equation, and the value of u minus 1 is a factor, is a factor is a factor for this given equation. Now, this equation can then be rewritten as this. We have 5u raised to power 3. Then we have minus 18u squared can be written as minus 5u squared minus 13u squared. And then we have plus 54u can be written as we have plus 13u, then plus 41u, then we have minus 41. So right here, we have minus 41 equals to 0. Next, factorize out 5u squared from this. So 5u squared into bracket u minus 1. Factorize out minus 13u from this. So minus 13u, okay, into bracket we have u minus 1. Factorize out plus 41 from this, plus 41 into bracket u minus 1 equals to 0. Here we have a common factor, and the common factor is u minus 1. So factorize out u minus 1, okay? Factorize out u minus 1. We are then left with 5u squared minus 13u plus 41. This equals to 0. Now equating these two to 0, we're going to have that u minus 1 is equal to 0, or we have 5u squared minus 13u plus 41 is equal to 0. So from this linear equation, u minus 1 equals to 0. From here, the value of u is equal to 1. Meanwhile, for this other equation, let us test whether there is any real solution from this given equation. Now, making use of determinant equals to b squared minus 4ac. So determinant equals to the value of b is minus 13. So in bracket minus 13 raised to the power 2 minus 4 times a is 5. 5 times c is 41. 41. So determinant equals to minus 13 squared is equal to 169. Then minus 4 times 5 times 41 times 41 is equal to minus 820. Okay, determinant equals to, if you minus 169 minus 820, we're going to have 651 minus 651, and this is less than 0. So this means that there is no real solution. There is no real solution for this given equation. So we are not going to work with this, but instead as u equals to 1. So right here, writing the value of u is equal to 1. But then recall from this that we said that the value of u is equal to the cube root of 2x minus 3. Okay, so writing this down, that recall the value of u is equal to the cube root of 2x minus 3. So from here, u has 1. This equation then becomes the cube root of 2x minus 3 is equal to 1. Next, we're going to cube this equation, all raised to power 3, all raised to power 3. Cube will cancel cube root. We have 2x minus 3 is equal to 1 cube is 1. Move minus 3 over to this side. We have 2x is equal to 1 plus 3. So 2x is equal to 4. So then 2x equals 4. Divide both sides by 2. 2 we divide 2. The value of x is equal to 4 over 2 is 2. So with this, we have the final solution of the value of x. X is equal to 2 for this given equation. So with this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you do, Kindly like the video, subscribe to this channel. The link is on the bio. Simply click on the link to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless you.